Stop, stand still, hold your place. Now we turn around. Step by step we move again. Feet go on the ground. Round and round, round and round. Circle time today. Walk together, move together in a happy way. Round and round, nice and slow. Now we stop and smile. Circle time is done for now. Great job!